Today, I'm going to explain how FCFS scheduling algorithm works. So first, we have 70, 120, 49, 115, 30, 100, 60, and 110, 28, and 80. To start it, we need to determine the first given and put it on the graph. So we have 70. Since it first come first serve, we need to follow the given and put it on the graph. So after 70, we have 120. 120. After 120, we have 49. After 49, we have 115. After 115, we have 30. And 30, after 30, we have 100. Then 60, 110, 28. So the last is 80. To get the count of the tracks, we need to subtract the first given to the second given and put always the high given number on the left side. So at first, we have track 70 to track 120. 120 minus 70 is equals to 50 tracks. Then 120 track 120 to track 49 mine is equals to 71 tracks. And 115 tracks minus 50 minus 49 is equals to 66 tracks. And 115 trucks minus 230 trucks is equals to 85 trucks. 100 trucks minus 30 trucks is equals to 70 trucks. 100 trucks minus 60 equals 40 trucks. And 110 minus 60 is equals to 50 trucks. And 110 minus 28 is equals to 58 trucks. And 80 minus 28 is equals to 52. To get the total of trucks, we need to add all the all the difference with all the difference from the other trucks. So we have total trucks of 566 trucks.